In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dashboard in QuickBooks. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It's where you get a quick, actionable snapshot of your business finances and jump straight into the details that matter. Start on the left sidebar and click Home. That takes you right to your dashboard. Depending on your version or view, it might be labeled Home or Overview, but the idea is the same. This is the screen with your key metrics up front. Once you're there, you'll see a collection of widgets. These are small panels that surface important data, like sales, expenses, cash flow, invoices, and bank balances. They update as your books change, so you're always seeing current information rather than a static report. These widgets aren't just for show, they're interactive. Click any widget to use it as a shortcut to its underlying details. For example, if you click the Sales or Invoices widget, you'll jump into a list of related transactions where you can sort, filter, or open individual items. If you click a Profit and Loss or Expenses widget, you can drill down into the accounts or transactions behind those numbers. Use your browser's back button or the QuickBooks navigation to come right back to the dashboard when you're done. You'll also notice small icons on each widget for more options. Sometimes it appears as a downward arrow that opens a drop-down, and sometimes it's a vertical three-dot menu. These menus give you additional controls that vary by widget. You might see options to change the date range, switch which accounts are included, toggle how the information is displayed, or jump to related actions like creating a new invoice or viewing a full report. If a widget isn't showing exactly what you expect, these menus are the first place to look. Up at the top right, you'll find the Customize button. This is where you make the dashboard your own. Depending on your setup, you can choose which widgets to show or hide, set default date ranges, and fine-tune how your overview appears so the most important items are always front and center. Keep in mind that customization options can vary based on your QuickBooks plan and user permissions, so what you see may differ from someone else on your team. That's all there is to it. Click Home to open the dashboard. Scan your widgets to understand what's happening. Click into any panel to explore the details. Use the drop-down or three-dot menus for targeted options, and customize the layout so it works for you. With a few clicks, your dashboard becomes a powerful, time-saving hub for managing your day.